You know what's funny? When I see a lot of people like talking about how when they get started, like, you know, they need money, they need this, they need that, they need all these things that are holding back in terms of starting in their journey. So when I say journey, I mean, like, obviously for me, I'm trading in the currency world, but there's people that are starting in the business or whatever it is. But it shouldn't be that way. Like with my story, when I started with my $33 funding my account, I just needed to know what I need to do in order to just get by and get to the next obstacle. So just by getting started, that's the most important thing. And once you do get started, you'll be able to just go over those hurdles. Fortunately now, because of all these years that I've seen myself gain from other people, 1, 2, 3, all those things that I couldn't get help with, I decided to just have a group whereby it has all these people, and I literally get to update, give all the information that you need in order for you to be able to just move one step ahead. And what I've done is that obviously the link is in the bio. I'll just make sure that I leave the link in bio, but you can take access in the group. And once you're in the group, you can learn a lot from me. Check out on my YouTube videos, check out on the things that I speak about, check out most of the things that I actually do help you out with, because that is something that's going to put you ahead.